Good morning, good evening, good night, whenever you guys are watching this channel. First, subscribe. Man, what is really going on with YouTube? I think they're targeting my channel, maybe other people's channels, and also videos. I put a video up yesterday, and it was Jim Jordan, Jonathan Isaac, and Rand Paul. They was talking about antibodies, natural immunities. And as soon as I put that video up, within 30 minutes, YouTube tagged it and gave me a strike and took it off because I'm gonna just show you the email. I don't really know what's going on. This is crazy. And I found out that it was removed because one of my subscribers sent me a message on one of my other videos. But check out this email, what I got from YouTube. Okay, here go the email I got yesterday, which was October the 6th, 2021. And it says, YouTube, remove your content. We'll read some of this together. It says, hi, Welding and stuff. Our team has reviewed your content, and unfortunately, we think it violates our medical misinformation policy. We've removed the following content from YouTube, and this is a video they removed. No, I would not yield. Jim Jordan frustrated because natural immunity is not being recognized. Pretty sure they're gonna probably remove this video. So if you want to watch this video, it is up. I'll put a link up there in the top on the drop down and also in the description. And it says, we know this might disappoint you, but it is important that YouTube is a safe place for all, blah, 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 blah. And here's how your content violated the policy. YouTube doesn't allow content that explicitly disputes the efficiency of local health authorities or World Health Organization WHO guidance on social distance and self-isolation that may lead people to act against guidance. And you can click this to learn more. So you're probably wondering why I'm able to upload, because they gave me a strike. Your channel has one strike. You won't be able to do things like upload, post, or live stream for a week. The second strike will prevent publishing contents for 2 weeks. 3 strikes will remove your channel. So I wouldn't be able to upload, but I disputed this. As soon as I found out, one of my subscribers sent me a message. He commented on one of my other videos and said, hey, your video have been removed. So I went and looked and I disputed it. I appealed it. And within 3 hours, I got another email. And here's the other email. And it says, hi, Welding and stuff. We have reviewed your appeal for the following content. No, I would not yield, okay, the video. After taking another look, we can confirm that your content does not violate the community guidelines. Thanks for your patience while we review this appeal. So yeah, I appealed it. They put it back on because they said it did not violate the policy, and they removed the strike. So that's why I'm able to upload. So they probably give me another strike for posting this video. I don't know, it's certain channels they targeting, not just my channel, but I hear a lot of people videos are being removed because they're talking about immunity, they're talking about antibodies, they're talking about Trump running. It's different things like that. So you need to watch that video and before they delete it again. And like I said, subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna try to look for another outlet or another place to where I can post besides YouTube, because they're really strict on certain things you can say. And I would like to share my wife and I experience of what we went through there in February, right around the first week of February of 2021. Yes, we had COVID and we quarantined and we went through the process. We went through all these processes. Yes, it was a difficult time. But once we went through the process, the 14 days we went and got tested again. We tested negative this time. Plus we go and get our antibodies checked often. And we stay and we go to the gym. We feel good. You know, we have this these antibodies. We got natural immunities. This is a gift from God. And I wouldn't recommend nobody go through what we had to go through for those 2 weeks. It was a difficult time. but we feel good. And like I said, we do go get our antibodies checked. And my wife's antibodies, it's like maybe 10, 15 times higher than mine. Hers off the chart. It just says greater than 20. So I don't know what hers really is, because she did go through a whole lot of stuff. You know, I was more of an asymptomatic type, but she had problems breathing and everything. But we made it through it, and we created these antibodies, and we feel good now. So YouTube, I don't know if they like for us to share this type of information with the public, but this is no false information. This is what we went through, we experienced, you know. So if you guys would like to see more of my videos, like I said, I may have to find another outlet, because they are targeting my channel. But anyway, subscribe and have a great day and enjoy life. I don't know where we're going next, but I know we're going on a vacation. All right. Have a great day.